Here are 2 practical strategies you can do right now to make more money in your business. And this is going to be short and sweet, so listen up. My name is Nick. I have a company called Sharpify where we build end-to-end marketing and sales systems for businesses. We have helped more than 2,100 clients. We have more than 3.5 million cash collected in our business, and we have been featured on Forbes. We have the ClickFunnels Awards, etc. But now, what are those 2 strategies, okay? Number 1, whenever someone buys from you, immediately the same day, ask them to buy something else. Immediately. A realistic number to hit is 15 to 30% of people will say yes. You know why? They just bought, they're hot, they're ready, and if you have something additional that can help them even more or even better, just ask this thing. Implement it in your sales process, give it to your closers, so once they buy, ask them to buy again. It's a huge thing. That's how you can increase your average order value or your average ticket per client. So just do it. The second strategy is what you most likely don't do for sure. It is a referral generating strategy. And you need to implement this. Huge thing. Recently went to one of the Tony Robbins events. He talks about this very extensively. He's proponing this a lot because most businesses do not have it. They're just like relying just on new clients, or whenever someone from existing clients maybe refers somebody to them. But you can do this as a process. So if you're helping our clients with the professional services or some type of things, or maybe even a course if you're selling, whenever the client gets some results or some milestone, and I would recommend you to do for the first milestone or the second one. So let's imagine you help them to build a website. So once the website is done, you should do this immediately. Or once the client has some success, you should do this immediately. What you should do, you basically say to them, hey, client, amazing results, very happy for you. Could you help me out here? They're like, yeah, sure, what's up? I would really love that you could recommend me 2 or 3 similar friends of yours who we could also help to do this. And by the way, if they become a client of ours, we'll also send you 1,000 euros in money or in additional services which you can use from us, or some type of bonuses, but make it very interesting for them, right? Don't just ask, but also give something in return. So, it's more interesting for them, they will be more likely to do it, and they can become, as I like to call it, raving fans, which you can basically, talk about you, promote you even further, even more, because I also have some clients who just send us new clients every month. Some of them comes from them because they're just meeting people, they're networking with people, they're going to events, they're just saying wow, what's your, how's you, I saw you on all the internet. They're yeah, this Nick's guy with this team helped me to blow up. You also want to reach out to them? I can send you some information about them more, or I can send them your information so they can reach out to you. That's happening for us every month, so that's very cool. But you should do, as a business owner, implement this as a process so this gets done regularly. Not just sometimes when you're oh shit, need money, need what to do. Just make it as a process. And how do you make it as a process? How I like to do it. So I have a CRM, and in the CRM, every time the person is moved to a certain stage in a CRM, we just add an activity, and it's automated. And that activity immediately, for my manager, they see it, and then okay, need to do it. Okay, do it. Because we have a good culture where everybody fills out the CRM, where everybody follows the CRM, they're tracking it because they understand that the CRM is actually helping them to make more money, helping them to do the job, and helping them to be alert and know everything that's happening, which is great. Okay, so these were the 2 strategies. I hope you enjoyed it. It was short and sweet. See you in the next video, and stay sharp.